Hello everyone. Welcome to our new video. Today we'll take a look at the top 5 best book stands that are available on the market. I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link in the description section below. And make sure you subscribe to more videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, Uncaged Ergonomics Adjustable Stand. Out of all the products you can find in the market, this one is the most superior one if your budget is on the higher side. It let the buyers adjust the height up to 21 inches. That is quite incredible. It is the best book stand, having open space bottom that makes sure your workstation doesn't become a mess. Another exciting thing about this unit is the lightweight aluminum construction that makes it great for in the workshop or even a kitchen. At number 4, Adjustable Height and Angle Ergonomic Book Holder. The premium anodized aluminium 18x10 panel is sturdy enough to hold books of all sizes. Yep, even those 8-ton medical and law books. The rotating platform locks in 15-degree increments from flat to vertical to ensure your materials are held at the most comfortable viewing angle. Articulating legs operate with a simple push button and extend the height of the stand from flat to almost 2 feet tall, to position materials at eye level. Sturdy aluminium design supports all books and lets you simultaneously read, take notes, and highlight in comfortable manner. Plus, the open space bottom is perfect for note-taking. At number 3, Natural Bamboo Bookb Stand Tray. Made of natural bamboo in extra large size 15.9 by 12 inches. Can be conveniently folded down flat, lightweight and portable. After unscrewing off the back rack, it will release the 1/4 -20 UNC screw. It can be used on a professional or heavy-duty tripod as a stand. Perfect for supporting different size and style books, tablet, painting books, cookbook, stand, recipe table, sketchbook stand, etc. Not recommended used as a tray for heavy electronics on a tripod. This tripod is not included in the package but can be purchased from our. You can also purchase our new pod stand, which will work with this bamboo holder. At number 2, Huji Sturdy Iron Display Stand Holder. The Huji Iron Display Stand Holder is beautifully designed to display any item you wish. The Huji Iron Display Stand Holder is a true home decoration that can be placed anywhere in the home, kitchen, living room, bedroom, family room or dining room. Place what matters to you. Display your favorite book, picture, frame, magazine and much more. Don't wait any longer, the piece to boost your room's elegance and style is right here, the Huji Iron Display Stand Holder. The Huji Iron Display Stand Holder can be fit in even the smallest spaces. Its size is 9 inches h by 8.5 w and extends back 1.1 when folded. The display weighs at 8.4 ounces, and stretches back at 5.5 d from holder bar. Finally, at number 1, Actto Portable Book Tablet Stand. Practical designed adjustable book stand holder with 18 different angles lets you read the books and use your iPad without straining your back, shoulders or neck. Compact and lightweight cookbook iPad holder is perfect to your travels. When not in use, the back stand can fold up easily, and can be transported in a backpack. Our book stand is made of high-quality material PP plus PC, can hold up to 2.4-inch book. It's equipped with 2 strong paper clips to accommodate your giant books, notebooks, and etc. This book holder not only keeps your desk organized, but also is an excellent gift for your loved ones, especially for those who love cooking, crafting, reading. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.